Hello and welcome. My little wee microphones have run out of juice. So some of that, undoubtedly, that I just didn't work well. So I will plug them in. And for the moment, I'll go without such things. I'll put these up here where they can sit with their little charger. Here's the brains of the operation. Without that, we're screwed. Alright, so the phone is dying. The microphones are dying. Here we have another. The last one. 1541. I will turn it on. Okay. So this 1541 turns on and it spins and then it stops. Is there anything in it? There's not. Alright, I'll turn it off. I shall. And I will seek the screwdriver. Okay, getting things unscrewed. The screwdriver does not want to come out. Well, the screw doesn't want to come out. Huh. Oh well. That screw came out. That did not. Okay. Now it's funny, there is a sticker on here. Perhaps we can look at it. And it has, there it is. Maybe it's their warranty thing. Computer Evolution. Software. Belleville, Ontario. So this sticker has not been broken as of yet. Perhaps now it will. Or maybe not. I'll peek inside and see that it looks much the same as the other, most everything. Well, 5 out of 7 chips are socketed. It does seem to have hope because everything lights up and it spins. And that's a good sign. And then it stops and that's a good sign. So I'm going to try and sneak this over the top. And then I will write 1541 powers up. Okay. Test. All right. And that is what I will do. So I will fold this. And I will fold this. And I will fold this. And I will stick this in here. I will set it down over here. And now I'll bring this back in for the moment. But I really, at this second, everything is dying. Oh, I didn't put the screws back in. Oh well. I know what they're from. It'll be fine. So there's a dirty data set. But just because it's dirty doesn't mean it's bad. Things happen. This could have been a garage, an attic, a closet. Who knows where. Anyway. There it is. Might work, might not. We will find out another time. So, as the phone is running out of battery and the microphones are running out of battery and I'm getting tired, that is enough for now. So thanks for coming to the TV room. And stay tuned. I'll keep on tinkering and puttering and see what I can find. So, essentially, if you've lost count, today there were 4 Commodore 64s, one of them in a white beige case, 3 of them in the brown, 2 1541s, and a data set. Oh, and there's another box of things. I forgot about the box of things, which I think is mostly broken joystick parts. I think. So that may not be too handy or helpful, but parts are good. Anyway, thanks so much for coming. Thanks for being here. And we'll see you again soon back in one of the rooms. The pet room, the box room, the TV room, somewhere. Bye for now.